What's going on, everybody? Alex Castadel. This video, I'm going to basically give my take because it always comes up. You've seen it a lot. It's the old carriers complaining about brokers. Well, that never gets old, and I love how it always comes up everywhere. And just going to give a short take on it. And I'll start by this. Hey, look, we all have a choice. We all have a choice, and where we're at, we chose to be there. So whether it's choosing to be a broker, choosing to be a carrier, choosing to be a dispatcher, choosing to take responsibility, choosing to blame somebody else for our failures or lacking or wish somewhere where we think we should be, but we're not. So just a reminder, we all have a choice, and nobody is really at fault for anyone's failure in business. I can tell you there's winners and losers in any type of business. Business is not easy. So I can tell you those winners aren't sitting around blaming somebody because they know to be a winner and to stay a winner, they have to take full responsibility. And though I do have compassion for the losers because I'm sure they did work hard at one point, whether they're a broker or carrier, the fact is they didn't, perhaps whatever the reason, didn't make it to where they wanted to. And it's just easier to point the finger and make themselves feel a little bit better that they have no control over not making it in the industry, not growing the size they wanted to be. But yeah, the winners aren't sitting around blaming somebody. They are working hard and taking full responsibility. So anytime you're a broker, established new broker, don't really pay much attention to the negativity coming from carriers or dispatchers because winners focus on solutions and serving and providing service compared to losers sit around blaming and pointing the finger, saying, I have no control over where I am. It's not my fault. It's somebody else's fault. And that makes me feel better about myself because it's too hard. It's too hard, and I'm not willing to put in the work required to stay in this business and grow. So keep positive, keep serving, keep being a badass, whatever you are, broker, carrier. Don't listen to the negative naysayers. Keep winning. Y'all take care. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.